Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we are building this Notes application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now in this video, I'll show you how to add this application to your Blogger website. So we have already completed this Notes application with all the required features in the previous video. Now in this video, we will add this to our Blogger website. So let's get started. Alright, here I have logged into my Blogger dashboard and let's add this inside a post. So let's go here to post and let's click on new post. And let's add a title. I'll just type Notes app. And here to change this into the HTML view. So click on this button and click on HTML view. Now here you can add your HTML, CSS and JavaScript code. So let's go to our source code and let's go ahead and copy all this code from here. So first of all, let's copy the CSS. I'll just copy all of this from here. We need to copy the font import. So let's copy it and let's create a style tag and let's paste it over here. And then we'll just copy everything from this container. Now I think we already have a container inside our theme. So let's see if we have any conflicts, then we'll just change the class. So for now, let's copy all of this. So let's copy all this CSS from here and let's paste it right here. So we have copied everything from the container. We have not copied these two selectors because this will change everything inside the page. So let's go ahead and add our HTML now. So let's go to our HTML file and let's copy everything from here till here. And now let's paste the JavaScript. I'll just create a script tag for that. And let's go back to our source code. Let's go to the main.js file. Let's copy all of this JavaScript from here and let's paste it right here. Right now, let's click on publish and let's click on confirm. And here we can see our post was published. Let's click on this view button. And if you scroll down, we can see that our application is being displayed over here, but we have some problems in the styling. So I think because we have the container class and so let's right click and go to the inspector. Here we have a div and let's open this here in the inspector, and here we have the article. In that we have our code. So here we have post body and in that we have the container. So this is where our Notes application is stored. So here we have the container, and if we scroll down, here we can see that we have some code for the container over here as well. So in our theme also we have some container class. Let's go to the sidebar. I don't think there is a sidebar in our theme, so let's go ahead and change the container class. Let's go back to our source code and here let's change the container class to main container. And here in the style.css file, let's look for all the container class and let's replace all of them with main container. So I think now we can just go ahead and copy this. So let's copy everything from here till the end. And let's paste it over here inside our post. Let's delete all of this. And let's paste our new CSS. So here we can see we have the main container, and in the HTML as well, we need to change the class. So here we need to change it to main container. Right now, let's go ahead and click on update. Let's go back to our page and let's refresh the page. And now we can see that we have some improvements. And the next thing we need to fix is these buttons. So these button text are displayed vertically. So let's right click and go to the inspector and let's see what's the problem. So here for the button, if you scroll down, let's see whether we have any extra styles added by the theme. Now here we can see for the body, we have a style called word break word. And if I remove that, we can see that it looks all right. So I think we can change it to normal. So let's go to our code and here for the main container, let's type word break normal. Let's click on update. Let's go back to our page and reload. And now we can see that the button looks alright. And let's remove this background color from here. So let's right click and go to inspect. And here for the main content, we have this background color. So let's remove that. And I think that will look good. So let's go to the main content. Here we have the main content. Let's change the background color to FFF, which is white color. Let's update it. And let's reload the page. And this is how it looks. And I think that looks alright. Let's go to the mobile version. And it is also looking alright. Let's click on this dark mode button, and the dark mode colors are being set correctly, but we have some text displayed over here instead of the icon. So that's because this is the value that is used for this emoji that you see over here. So if you go to the toggle dark mode, here we can see we have the sun emoji, and this is the text that represents this image. So for that we need to go ahead and change text content to inner HTML. And let's go ahead and click on update. Let's go back and reload. And now we can see that we have the correct emoji displayed over here. Now here we can see that this text area is going outside the specified width. So for that we need to set the box sizing to border box. So here let's try it. Let's type box sizing border box and it will work alright. So let's go back to our code and let's select everything inside our main container and the main container itself. So let's type main container and main container asterisk. And here let's go ahead and type box sizing border box. So it will select everything inside our main container and add this style. So let's click on update. Let's go back to our website and reload. And now we can see that everything looks alright. Let's go ahead and save a note and let's see whether it works. Let's type testing1. Let's click on save. And we have this alert. We need to enter both the title and the content. Let's add the content. Let's click on save. And we can see that it is saved over here on the left side. Let's go to the preview, and the preview is also looking alright. I think we can change the text color to black. So let's try adding it to the main container. Here let's type color of black. And it works. So let's go back to our code and here let's type color black. Let's update this. Now if you click on this note, we can see that it is being displayed over here. And if I update something, we can see that it is updated over here as well. And if we save this, let's update this title as well. Let's click on save. And it is updated over here. Let's add a new note. Let's type testing2. Let's type testing2 over here and let's click on save. And it is saved over here on the left side. And if you want to delete this, let's click on this delete button and let's click on OK. And we can see that the note was deleted. So everything is working alright. So that's basically how you can add this notes application to your Blogger website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.